Hi! In front of me is ZTE A53 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, click on apps section, click on default apps, and pick one of those options. In my case, browser app. Now just tap one of your downloaded ones in order to apply it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!